Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Sooji Appam. This is an instant appam dosa. We can prepare within 10 minutes. Take 1 cup of suji and 3/4 cup of poha. Grind into fine powder. Transfer to the mixing bowl and add half cup of curd, 2 teaspoons of sugar and salt as per your taste. Adding sugar is optional. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 ladle full of batter to the pan. Add half teaspoon of oil and cook it on low to medium heat. Considering health benefits, I used cast iron tawa. If you use non-stick pans, you can easily flip appams. Now I prepared second appam little bit thin. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Suji Appam is ready. You can serve hot with onion chutney. Onion chutney link is given in the description box. Please watch it there. More breakfast recipes are given in the description box. Please watch it there. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.